Guys, good morning and welcome back again to my channel. So today guys, I'm gonna unbox a battery of this Dyson vacuum. This is a cordless one. We bought this 2 years ago and now the battery is maybe only takes 2 minutes and then it's all gone, so it needed replacing. So it still charges, but once it's fully charged, if you use it, it doesn't works that long anymore. It's supposed to be for 20 minutes, but now I noticed this only goes for maybe 2 minutes and it goes off. So we decided to buy a new battery. So this is the new battery. I bought one online and from the Dyson website, and I think this is $86 all up for the one whole battery. So we will unbox it now, guys. So it actually arrived the other day, and this is just a chance that so it's actually made in Malaysia. Look at that. Oh, hang on a minute. How do you open this? Anyway, let's open. You know what? I'm just gonna cut the sides of this, and then we will just see how we go from there. So this is the manual. Oh, it's got a screw as well. So there are 2 screws there. Oh, do you take this off? Anyway, difficult to take it off. It's actually very handy, this cordless vacuum, guys, because if you want a quick cleanup, you can just plug it in and then just, so this is the battery. So it's pretty much the same with the old one, because it's like so I don't want it on. So we will replace this to this. The problem is, how do I take it off? So there's 3 there, so we need to take that. We need to take this off here. So you'll take this off, guys. Screw it in, take it off. Oh my god. So that's in. I mean, that's out. And that one's out as well. So yeah, that one is out. And then, oh, it's coming off. It's coming off, guys. So that battery is off. So that's the old one. And now we are going to put back the new one. How did it work again? Like that. Right. So I think we will just put these screws back in. Here. So we'll put these screws back in. There. So that's the old one. And this is now the new one. Oh. Goodness me, this is not a woman's job. So that one's in. Now this one here we'll put the screw back in as well. In there. Oh no. Should have put this back in first. So yeah, that's in. It's in there. Yes, got it. Too small. Why is this screwdriver is too big? Hang on. This is better. It's in. It's in. Okay. Now let's fix this one up here. That's how easy it is to put the batteries in. And then we will try put it on charge, and then we'll try later if it works. So yes. Oh my god. It works, and we just need to plug it in, charge it for 20 minutes, and it's ready to use. So perfect. So that is actually a good one. Goodbye. So this is the old one. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this, but I am going to charge this for now, and then we will try later. Okay, so guys, let's put it on charge. Charge it here. So this is actually cordless, so you charge it there for 20 minutes, and then you just plug that in there, and then it will turn blue there once I turn the power on. Yes, it's charging. So that's charging, guys. And it's supposed to be fully charged within 20 minutes, and then you can use it for 20 minutes as well. So we will just wait for that to fully charge, and then we will try again later and use it. Okay, so see you guys later. So guys, it's still charging, because you can see that's still blinking, but we will try it now and then see if it works really good, and let's just see how long it's gonna last. So far so good, guys. Our vacuum is working back again, and I can clean the house now finally. Well, I got a big vacuum there, but I like this one better because it's very handy and I don't have to pull the cords and everything. And if I only want to vacuum the hard floor, I just use this one. But if I vacuum the whole house, I just use the big one. I got a big one there, but I can't bother using the big one. I just love using this. And that's all. I hope they will last longer, this battery this time. It's a genuine battery. It's from Malaysia. It says made in Malaysia or something. But yeah, that'll do for now. That's actually we bought it on the Dyson website. It's actually $89 for that, and it's we bought it online, and it arrived maybe 1 week later. So, and it arrived now, and it's all good. Very good. Happy with that. Now gonna start cleaning. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching, and that is all about our unboxing of the new battery for our Dyson Animal. This is actually the, I don't know what brand is this, but I think this is the Animal one. V8. This is the V8 one. So thanks guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. See you again in my next one. Bye.